Welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we'll continue learning how to use seed numbers in checking answers, this time in division. If you haven't watched our video on understanding seed numbers, check out the description box for the link and watch the video before continuing. Here's the problem. Is 566 divided by 11 equal to 56 remainder 3? The problem can be written as 56 times 11 plus 3 equals 566. First step, find the seed numbers of the numbers in the equation. The seed number of 56 is 2, the seed number of 11 is 2, and the seed number of 3 is 3. Step 2, do to the seed numbers what you do to the numbers in the equation. In this case, multiply and add. 2 times 2 plus 3 equals 7. In case the computed seed number is 2 or more digits, you have to get its seed number until you get a single digit. Step 3, let's check the answer by equating the derived seed number with the seed number of the answer. If the two are the same, your answer is correct. The seed number of 566 is 17. Because we got 2 digits, we need to get the seed number of 17, which is 8. Therefore, the answer is not correct because 7 is not equal to 8. So, 566 divided by 11 is not equal to 56 remainder 3. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.